Hi, welcome to my channel. This channel is against the current view of the astronomy. I'm saying the theoretical science is wrong, especially physics, but other science, theoretical sciences also. So this I studied entire series like, and I will explain to you some stuff. Okay. So in this video I want to explain to you again the computer this for you to understand that electricity is light, is not the electron. Okay, if you okay, and this is it is not a small thing. Okay, so if you want to understand, this is like this is, if you know, this is writing pictures here, and you must follow the road of electricity. If you know, this is the way I make my videos. So maybe if you I have is a car battery, you'll see why all of this, okay, in this video. And about the computer, I want to explain to you that artificial intelligence, like if you can do it or not, and but you must go from this. Okay, so what I wanted to tell you is that on your laptop, on your display monitor, on your there are projected pictures, okay, pictures of light. So you do not deny, okay, that you cannot deny that a picture is made from light. So it is an energy, okay, light has energy in it, but you are believing somehow there is some conversion between electricity and light, but you cannot find the damn electron anywhere. All over the place it is in fact light, and and if you follow the steps closely, you see this. Okay, so now if you understand, this is the way I make my videos. I cut from other videos and intersect with mine. So I let you see. I explain to the computer, and you see the reason why I brought this car battery. And but now watch some projection on a building, like a projector, like projects picture on a building. So just for fun of it, and then you'll understand. So light pictures, so you project light pictures. Okay, so watch. So if you watch that, you understand this is the way I made my videos. Okay, my name is like the name of the channel, but it's pronounced like Mircea Gheorghiu. Okay, so I've discovered that the Big Bang is false, the planets are made another kinds, and the expansion of the universe is false. You cannot see the universe, and many things. Okay, so this is what I'm doing in my channel. Okay, so this is the way I make my videos, if you understand. So now if you watch that projects, and you project light on a wall, and you have an image. Okay, so now let me explain to you how the computer works. If you I already made some videos, like maybe someday I will put them in a list together, right? I have all the computer, all kind, not a laptop, all kind break up pieces. I have all the pieces. But okay, so you see you have, so I'm explaining to you even the computer, but it is not like for a joke, or for if you understand that nobody knows at this hour that electricity, it is light, it is light. You see, this is where you get electricity, 220 volts. In Europe you have three transformers, different voltage, you see, and another kind of here, and you take current, you say electricity, but it is light, it is light. So if you do not understand, I will explain to you the computer, and you will understand that the electron does not exist, it is light. So it is a small thing for you to understand, and I'll explain all the computer. Okay, so this is where you get the current. Okay, you have here some condensers, like some dams, they regulate the intensity. These are like some batteries. they discharge in controlled manner the electricity. You get 220 volts, it do not burn the computer, it enters here and regulates it, like, and he says some capacity like a battery, it absorbs some energy, and it isn't some kind of big condenser, a small one. So resistors, okay, and three transformers. The transformer is like with wires like this, copper wiring, and some plaques of iron like this. Okay, so you transform the current in different voltage. Okay, so you have this fan that it cools, this unit is going to be hot. Okay, and this is where you take the electricity. Okay, so what you are saying, that is electricity, but I'm telling you there is light. Okay, but now, like I did in one video, you understand it is not processing. This is not processing or calculating. So if you break the pieces on each part, you do not discover the part that is calculating. It is not calculating, it is does something like in a mechanical stuff. So it processes somehow light from high voltage light in a small different kind of voltages, because you have different kind of fan. You see this 12-volt fan. I will, that's why I brought the battery here, and a small one, this you can burn it with this it is a small voltage. This for all the species, this is processing so light in different, so light has different tonalities of electric current. So if I put this maybe here, this small fan, you see 12 volts, it'll burn it maybe. Let's see. It is not work, maybe it burning. Okay, so the first piece, it is not calculating. The second one, this is calculate, because you see, you make like a logic, A or B or C or D, or like in logic. So now if you negate A, you negate B, you negate all the parts, and you not find the piece that is calculating, or okay, the computer is an unfortunate name. Okay, this brought all the planet in wrong stuff. Okay, so now I show to you that it's not calculating, it's processing different kind of voltages. So now you have this, you must understand this is some kind of video. It is not different from a videotape player. It is not different. If you put here like a more or a cassette video cassette, okay, this is the same. The pieces, electronical pieces are the same like the old video player. So this is a kind of video player, if you understand, but it has the capacity like in videotape. You put an hour of movie, 2 hours, big videotapes. Okay, this has a bigger capacity. So 4 gigabytes, you inscribe with this needle, okay, pictures here. So again, two ideas. Where is the electricity? If you write pictures here, where is the electricity, like electron electricity? You see? So where is the electricity? It is light. You inscribe light here, pictures with light, coherent pictures, you inscribe them here. You have a motor here, like, okay, it moves it and reads them and inscribes them and reads them. And this plaque is like a mirror glass. You see, you can have 1, 2, or 3. And this is like a minimalized video player. So it has the property to inscribe pictures on it and to read them and delete them. So it is calculating, it's not calculating. So the next piece, if you understand now, I know it of the pieces, this integrated circuits. I've told you that it is the first invention of integrated circuits is like a lamp. Like a big lamp, they were losing the signal on telegraph transmissions. So like some distances, few kilometers, you lose the signal. So to make better the signal, they invented a light bulb, like exactly like a bulb like this, and you pass the signal through it, and you add some from other electricity that I told you that this light so it multiplies the bulb. It's easily like a light bulb, basically like this, a tube. If you know some, so you put more light. So what it does, the signal has some coherent patterns, you see, in a voice or in an image. So if you put the current through that light bulb and you put a light, the light that you put, it make a coherent, exactly duplicate, like in a coherent manner. It multiplies the signal in coherent. It's not destroying it. Maybe if you destroy. So the integrate, so the transistor was the first minimalization of this, that for light bulb, big light bulb. Okay, you had that. If you watch that when they have the first phones, okay, with that analog stuff, they had literally light bulbs like this. They multiply the signal. Okay, so now the first minimalization was the transistor with three like this, exactly that's like that bulb. They did not invent it. Some guys are tricking you with this. They minimalize the light bulb basically in transistor. And it's another guy after the transistor invented this integrated circuit. What it realized is that you have a circuit. If you can see on internet, maybe I'll put you for you the pictures. You see, you have a circuit. This is what it means as integrated circuit. You have a circuit, so what is circulating through it? Light. So you have a circuit like this, and from another part you add. That's why there's many, you see, like small legs, and from other part you add light. So now you pass a coherent signal. It does exactly like a transistor or the integrated circuits. Okay, so they are not calculating, if you understand. I must tell you this because you eliminate, you give a side, like you see, I've told you A or B or C or D. So it's not A, it's not B, it's not D. Where is the computing stuff? Okay, so maybe you are dazzled by this integrated circuits. This means exactly what the name tells you. It's some circuit, and from a part you put a picture, and you add some light from another part in it. So the light somehow knows how to duplicate, to multiply the signal. It's entering some coherent vibration, it duplicates and keeps you the pattern of the pictures. Okay, so this is the whole videotape. So it is calculating, it's not calculating, it is processing picture, inscribes pictures, reads them, and with a small diode or glass, okay, and reads them and inscribes them. Okay, so now A, B, and C. You see now this CD writer. Okay, so it tells you what it does. Okay, it writes CDs. Okay, you see, so mechanism. You see, this is ejecting, and you put a CD like this. So if you understand, I prove my thesis all over the place that the energy is light. The electron does not exist. If you understand, this is for a Nobel Prize. If you understand, but I'm going to tell you how many Nobel Prize I will deserve, maybe, if you. Okay, so you see, this is a substance on plastic, a chemical substance similar with the picture, normal old picture that you have. So you inscribe here, you have a motor. So this is like a video player also. Instead of the videotape cassette, you have this. So it is a substance here, and it reads exactly like with a diode. It reads the pictures from here. So now you understand that the sound, it is a picture. So it is a picture also, because you can write music here only without images. So it is a picture of sound. You can write it because it's a. So I've told you even that in some way the sound is light. Only the shock wave has the speed of light, the speed of sound. The sound itself is light. Okay, you write the sound here, audio. Okay, it is a small video with a frequency like this. You duplicate, multiply it with some integrated circuits, exactly like a picture. You transmit in an integrated circuit a small picture or a temporal picture of your sound words, and you add some from other part light, and you multiply in a coherent manner. The same way as this is a second proof that the sound itself is stored with light. And then you go with some wires of vibrating paper, so there's vibrating the same frequency of light, and it's emitting the shock wave that you understand that is sound, but they carry light also. And so this in two manners, a shock wave, sonic wave, like an air that you are believing, and inserted in a shock wave, it is a vibration of light that you can so even if you have these ears like this, they are capturing light. So put in a substance that it is air. Okay, you must put it somewhere, light. Okay. So you understand now that this is writing pictures. So it is calculating. It is not computing or calculating. It is reading, and you inscribe pictures with light. So it is a substance. I always show to you this. The light is trigonometrical. It means, like you see, you move different angles, you make all the colors. Okay, so it is light. Where is the electron? Nowhere. Maybe you are believing some strator electrons. You write light, but there's not. The electron does not exist. It's light. Okay, so you inscribe pictures like this. If you have the old videotape, like you read it in a temporal manner, there's a so mechanism, so motor with a function of time. If you pass through reading head of diodes or something, you see it reads you pictures, and you transmit. It's the same manner. This is a motor, and it spins this, and you read the same. So it is like a videotape or like this, and also in this case the same. Okay, so you understand, you write picture, and so DVDs like this, you can rewrite them and delete them. So this is a mysterious, like, maybe you appreciate God for this. The concept, the how the picture are conserved here. You delete them, you write it again. So you but okay, but there's some property of the matrix, or integrate, see how it duplicates or make. So I eliminate so A, B, O, A, or B, or C, or D. It is calculating this, not calculating, is reading pictures. So the second, the both theses are all conservables. You see, you write light here, you process light basically, and this has the same pieces like with integrated circuits. You duplicate, you multiply a signal, and you regulate it with some condensers and some resistors. You regulate the tension. You do not want chaotic stuff. Okay, so now the video board. You see the video board. Believe it or not, the same. These pieces are registered pictures. Take 4 gigabytes of pictures. You see, this is stuff like information. It's not information. Your brain contains only pictures with sound and audio, and they are pulled together in a function of time. So let's take a short, not a short break. I will explain to you the video part like this, and then a motherboard like this, and now let me show to you. First of all, I have a solar panel. Okay, a solar panel, 2 meters by 1 meter. Okay, 40 volts. Okay, so this is 12 volt. It burns it, boils it. Okay, but I alimentated directly from the sun when some clouds So I want to prove to you that I know stuff, okay? So this is a car battery. This will not be ignited by you cannot ignite with a 100 voltage light bulb with this car battery. You need only 12 volt like this. So I did not let it very much at the sun. You see, so maybe everybody maybe can do this, but I want to show to you that I know some stuff. Okay, so you cannot ignite a 100 light bulb voltage with this. Okay, you need 12 volts. Okay, so this is the reason this stuff has some transformers, because in the similar manner some are working like this. You see, you have this. So you watch. So I let you see the solar panel. Watch my solar panel. I film it. Okay, if you watch that, you see. Let me see. You see, this is from the computer also. It's a 12 volt. So you can put this to work with this battery also. Maybe you will hear it. Let's see. You see, maybe the camera captures it. Okay, you see, because it's a 12 volt. You see it stop. Maybe you will see it. Maybe some frequency you not see the movement, but maybe you will see it. You see, okay. Okay, everybody can do this, but I want to prove to you something. You catch light with a solar panel. You catch light from outside, so you bring it here. So now where is the electron? You'll be believing that the light hits the solar panel and some electron moves. You store electrons here, and but everywhere is light. You catch light, the sun of each, the lights from the sun, and if the light varies, you see that you obtain a poor voltage, and things like this. You will burn this battery with a 40 volts that I have. It boils. Maybe it's not even acid in it. I only water. Maybe I open it and replace the water. It boils, and okay, I boil the acid. Maybe there's no acid, only on water it's functioning, but it's functioning even with water. Okay, so maybe some acid. So that's I explained to you. I put this battery directly in a solar panel, so you can charge this battery with light taken from the solar panel. So I did not convert, and I'm not doing anything. I only plug this battery at my solar panel. I have some worry because it's more powerful, and I'm not putting with the clouds or in the morning or the night. And you see, it varies the voltage from the sun. It varies the night or okay, in a full day. The solar panel will have the full capacitor, 40 volts. You can charge 4 batteries like this. Okay, so where is the electrons? Nowhere. You understand? So the light even itself moves an engine. Believe it or not, light is very powerful, very very smart. Light, you can do many things. So even this I am telling you in my channel, they want to obstruct science from us. So there are some crazy dudes. They are lying to you. Okay, to obstruct science. Light. I took light from the solar panel. I put it in battery, and I move a motor with it. You see, less minus plus. Okay. You see. So you can make about the engines of car engines that Elon Musk made. You see, you're believing that they are running with electricity. It's a small that it is electron. I'm telling you, electron is an invention to so it is functioning with light. You understand? It is functioning with light. Light goes through wire, has some wirings like this with magnets, if you know, and goes like this, and then goes like this. It spins with frequency per the light does this, okay, light. So now let me put this down and see more comfortable. Okay, so let's continue like this. Okay, I brought the battery, but I've told you it's not like I wanted to show to you. I know some stuff, okay, with the current light battery. You cannot ignite 100 voltage, you see, and I have a solar panel. I know stuff. I'm not like crazy. I'm not telling you like this, and I'm telling you for free. Even though I'll deserve multiple Nobel Prizes, if you understand that this actual science is wrong, especially physics, Einstein. In my channel, you see this. Okay, so now if you understood, let's take another A, B, C, or D, or is the computation part. So I've showed you that computing, and I two birds with one stone to tell you that the light is electricity, and you are not processing electrons, and this is not processing, calculating. So this is, if you know, like you store pictures here, sound. 4 gigabytes of pictures. It's another way of doing this. 4 gigabytes like this. 4 gigabytes, okay? And so it is not processing, it's not calculating, it's processing pictures. You flow pictures through it, okay? And it is processing, or this is what it means, but you process meat. You're not calculating meat, you process pictures. Okay, so now it remains this video board. All of them are you put them like here. This you held the motherboard. You see, have a frame like this with a crystal glass made from the same material like this, like in this here. A main frame, a frame. You put what in a frame? Pictures made with light, and you have another one. Motherboard, main motherboard here, crystal, see. So what do you put in it? Pictures, exactly like this. You can mirror this. It's dirty, but you see, like grease. You see, but you see, it reflects exactly like a mirror. And here is also in the same principle, like this. You see, and so now is this video processing pictures, it's processing pictures, but it's calculating something, it's not calculating anything. You have this similar type of things like this, storing pictures, and when you have a stick, you understand. I'm not going to show to you, but I have a stick, but you must understand this, okay? The stick has the same like this. So now it's processing pictures, okay? So I've told you that quantum mechanics is wrong. Now is the problem, how small can you put a picture? You see, to maintain a coherency, you see how small is the needle. You barely see them, like a tip of a needle, like exactly like a needle, like you prick yourself with it, or you sew something, okay? So it is very, very small. So now if you understand what small is the wire like this, like how much current can you transmit through it. You barely see it. You see, you move a motor, 12-volt motor, you barely see it. So how much voltage can you bring through how much small needle? So this is the circuits you make a small. So what is the voltage that you'll burn this? You burn you'll melt the copper or the metal. So what is the smallest zoom that you can make of a picture to maintain a coherency and to maintain that picture? To maintain a picture, and you see that you must have. This is, you see, that's, and how many can you read them, and on second, on okay, if you pass light through it. So now if you understand that is storing light, here is storing light, here is storing light, here is where is the electron? So where is, do you are living from the main the receiver of electricity, you see, like 200 watts and volts. Watts. Told you watts, like, and volt. 12 volts. Okay, and watts different. Okay, so you are believing that you take electricity electrons from here, and you convert it somehow in light in all these processes, because all the computers processing pictures. So you describe here pictures. So this is giving birth to the quantum mechanics, if you understand. So how small can you make a picture, and if you pass light, incoherent light, the light is not coherent when it's not in a picture, in a sound, or in a coherent structure. It's like, so you must make it coherent somehow. You must dam it, like with a dam, like give it to them, okay, to cross, to dam it. These are dams, like dams. So it dampening some properties of the light is light burns and has a relation with fire. Okay. So where is the electron in all of this? You see, that's why. So now let me show to you my next section. 50 minutes I will speak from, and then I will continue this procedure. 50 minutes I will show to you my laptop monitor. I did not delete it, all the icons from my from the display of my laptop. It's dirty, so I work a lot, and it's like it may some at some point I will show to you the where I'm writing. It's dirty. I'm working, okay. I cut wood here. I live out a house and stuff like this. I have a garden, and so watch the laptop, and hear what I'm saying, like about 50 minutes, and then I'll continue the video, big video, but okay. So this is for my video, for that the computer is not computing anything, it displays you pictures and is processing pictures, is not calculating. So I kept all the icons you see on my desktop, like you can fit here 100 and something, including here in the taskbar. If you pin in the taskbar, okay, so you cannot put much more than this. Maybe if you minimalize this, but they have a standard stuff. You see, I did not delete it especially, like, and a few more places, like here, and you fill it up, and now you insert energy with the mouse pointer or with the finger if you have a touch screen, and it goes in another pictures. So it is not processing anything. The computer jumps from pictures to a picture. This is the main display. So you see taskbar almost full. I kept this especially to show to you. This is, okay, my desktop monitor. So it is not calculating. The computer jumps from a picture to a picture. And this is like a button. You touch here, you enter with a mouse. You insert some energy, light energy, and you jump. So now how much folders you can make. And you see, if you open here in how many I open 100. Let's focus, okay. I opened 100 here, like this, but it only displays you 17 something. Okay, you cannot count them. So if you open here like this, I open, okay, but you must understand that this is the way you make the main frame, and you inject in another picture with some energy, light energy you inject, and you go there. So now you must have a processor of pictures that it is capable of displaying you, like you project pictures, okay, on a wall or multiple picture. This is projecting from the main frame, and they're displayed picture. And you now, like, you have a button. A button, what it does, inserts energy. So you see, insert some energy it opens or close your light from a light bulb, and it processes the same in the same manner. It's like a insertion of energy, light energy, you see. So this is what I wanted to tell you, is not calculating, displays you pictures and is processing pictures, and the programs do the same stuff. If you have like this video player, it plays video, okay, and it has a main page, a main frame, and all of this, all what you see, they are representing in pictures. It is not calculating. Always you see a picture and you open exactly like you insert an energy, it displays you another picture, and you click here. This is a picture with some writings, you see. You click here, you open, you see, goes from a picture to a picture. You read it, you interpret like it is some reading, but it is a picture. Pictures with, if you open a word, like a word, let's say King James, like you see, like King James Bible, you see, it is a picture. So now there's a row of pictures. You see, this is in a row pictures. The letters are pictures, you see. So now you can scroll from a picture to another picture. Always you have pictures, and when you have these letters, okay, my dirty letters, okay, when you have that letters, the same, they exactly like a typewriter. You see, it is a picture of a letter, and you put some ink and in a typewriter, and you okay. So always you process pictures, not calculating anything, you see. Now you scroll and see pictures. You read it, you interpret it like information, but there's no information here. Is no information, only in your head, only pictures, a small pictures with letters. So the word is more complicated program. You open the word, you see, is the more complex program that you are believing, and the programs that make musics, but not nonetheless, you see, open new, and you have pictures here, and with you choose the dimension of the picture of the letter. You see, you put say A. It is not okay. So okay, so it is not, you see, D letter. You see, like, let's focus. Okay, you see, D, it's a picture, you see. So it is not meaning anything. If you say like a day, in your head is something, but it is picture. So now you have exactly like in the display, you insert pictures of letters by pressing here exactly these letters. Okay, so my dirty laptop. So you see, everything is it is a picture. Everything, you see, everything, it is a picture. You have a way of arrange them in a main frame, in a frame, exactly like a frame of picture. And then you know that it does like this. You see, you control something like a mouse pointer and inserts energy. So like a button, you open and close a picture, open and close it, you see. And I will show to you the pins from the processor. I like small needles of copper needles. So this is the more complex than you are believing. This is the basis, maybe, but only pictures, you see, and you open and close. And you must have the ability to have like on strata. There are many strata of pictures, and you go from a strata another strata in a program. Many strata you see of picture. You see, you click on a picture, and you see a program is like a temporal. Now it is the present picture. Now you open another picture in a T1, T2, another picture T3. Time, you see. So I'm telling you that is a function, temporal function, to display pictures in a temporal manner, you see. So this is the mainframe now what you are seeing now. T0, T1, T2, the always pictures. T3, time 3, time 4, time, you see, but only pictures. So you must have a function of time that displays you pictures. So now you must have exactly some hardware that it can processes this. You see, you have a button. This is a button, but you see, but you see, you see, so this is, you have a representation. So this is the basics. But for you to understand, is not calculating anything, because you are believing that you can make artificial intelligence only if the intellect of human mind only processes pictures and jumps from a picture to another picture. But a man does not think only with images. Like, imagine that this is an image. You can think with, you do not think only with images, with concepts. For the man, in the mind of a man, the day means something. A day, it's a day, okay? 8, 0, it means something. Here does not mean anything. After, before, they're concepts, and there's no picture of after only like this when you write it. It is a picture made from letter. But in a human mind, there's concept. If you make a proposition like line numbers, you see, it's in concepts. You do not pull out a picture, okay? And the thinking process, you have sentiments, like you feel them. You feel bad, you feel. So it is a picture, you see. So this computer is not feeling bad, or so that's viruses are attacking only, is mess you the way the program displays you in a temporal manner pictures. So it is not like a virus. It's mess you up the picture somehow. In a temporal manner, the viruses, okay, and they made them. You can, or it is an inherent mistake in hardware, and you in a temporal manner, you must add always a program, like, you see, to clean the data, to maintain you see, like this, but you can. And the viruses, if you understand, are made maybe by the companies. You do not, I don't even have for many years antivirus on my computer. Okay, so you understand, it is not calculating anything. And you see, you can change the color. It is assigned somewhere colors. You see, some tricks. So you see, I can make colors, is like, I put colors. See, this is why it's more complicated, but it's a database, and but this is pictures of colors, you see. So when you click it, it is a function. It is coloring the what you see, like green, like, you see, you make it bold, but all these are processing picture. You understand, this some complicated stuff, but the function is only in the mind of a man, that makes inside of hardware pieces to you see. So now you see, you change the color, like, but it's a picture with the color stored somewhere, and you intersect with it. You see, you make it yellow, or you see all the colors. So, but these are squares with pictures. This is not a picture, it is a color picture, you see. So it is not processing. It is processing exactly like the word, you process pictures, but it's not calculating anything. It's not. And when you make music, maybe I will show you a program. So this is, because this is the more complex program that you are believing, this word, because it has many letters. It is a relation between the typewriter machine, like right, you see, and okay, I will show you from my table the same. And okay, if you understand, you must So you must have some layer piece with many layers. So now you must jump from a layer to another layer to from a picture to another picture. You must have a piece that displays the mainframe like this, okay, like my desktop monitor, you see, and all of them are pictures, okay. And you, when you enter, it is not processing only picture. All the programs, even this WinUp audio, because you have audio pictures with or sound, you open, okay, and you this is an audio picture stored in the computer with light, and it is processing in a temporal manner from 0 to something, okay. So this all of them are pictures, see, like this button increases the volume, all of them are pictures, if you understand. You see so it is calculating, it is not calculating, it displays you pictures. But some real buttons, like you increasing the volume, but when you have a physical button like this, and you see it is the same, increases something, but so relation between a hardware and but the process is done through this picture, like you see. So even the WinUp is processing pictures. So this is, you see, only pictures, and you enter how many folders in a folder. You believe there are 1,000. There's a limit, okay. There's a limit of folder in a folder due to the piece. You have layers like sheets of paper, layers of pictures, so there's a limit. And all the time you have a mainframe at you see, like you open a mainframe, you take some objects, and you fill the frame, you fill it, you cannot, and you enter in another one, and let's say you will be another folder in another one, another folder in another folder, but you cannot do this at infinite, only what the pieces from the computer permit. So everything what you are doing in a computer is processing pictures in this is the keyword, in a temporal function on T1, T0, T2, T3, you see. And some hardware piece can give you this function, a temporal function, faster or slower. Okay, I will speak for my table more. I want to delete this. I kept it, especially see, it's almost full, and you can fill up this, and this 120 images, and you can make them small, but now you must have a processor to can maintain this picture in a mainframe in a present, okay. So let me show you another I will speak from my table, I will make a big video, so you understand. Is not calculating, the computer is not calculating, they name like to trick you, okay. Okay, if you watch that, I spoke even from this is going to be once and for all, because I don't want to retake on these subjects any soon, and I want to upload them. You must understand that that is electricity is light, and I prove to you. Maybe you're a bit stubborn to not understand. I prove to you if you understand. So even for this, I'll deserve a Nobel Prize. So let's continue. This is a video, you put it here. If you put it here, it helps the motherboard with video processing, okay, like this. So you have like these small things, exactly like on the RAM processor, like this, okay. And so this pictures, this is displaying picture, a frame, and many things like this. So you understand by now that there's some condensers, different types, to damp down, to regulate the capacity of the car not burning stuff. You have the circuits, painted circuits, corrugated, and with some acids, okay. And this, so you understand, no electronics. I'm not speaking like crazy dude, okay. So you have on both sides this, and so integrated circuits that you must multiply then the signal you put it, okay. So you see, I've told you the dams are where when you put the signal to regulate, like, okay. Okay, like here you see, like here. Okay, so this is the motherboard. You see this battery, you understand now, is it is for light. Light, it is register light and coherent light, and you must make it coherent. Okay, so now I film this processor. Okay, main processor, and I'll put insert for you to see and watch. So, and then I will speak more about this. Okay, main motherboard. Okay, so from the computer, so watch 2 minutes, like when I film this to see it from close. I explain to you. So I explained to you from my table the computer, but this CPU remain to be explained. You see, you do not see, there are small partitions, you see, and you inject pictures. Here are small needles, if you hear them, like with copper needles, you inject pictures here, so they correspond with some part here. Okay, so let me put like in a zoom. So let me put a zoom on it. You see, so you see, this are the partition, and you inject pictures, and you see, so this is the that is what I wanted to show to you. So you inject pictures and finite number, you see, of gateways, of doors, like, and you inject pictures. And so you control a set of pictures in a temporal manner, if you understand. It is the main, now the main frame. So it is not calculating, it is processing pictures. Pictures is not calculating. How you are believing? Okay, so it processes pictures of light. It processes light basically. So this brings me to my next section. On I showed you on a zoom a optic fiber. Okay, if you watch that, now you must understand. Now you must understand that is not calculating. This was remaining for you to understand. This is not computing. This is not computing. Displays you pictures. So the only piece that you are that is remain is this. But you must understand now. You must understand now. There's no information. It's only pictures. I've told you in this video, audio and video pictures, basically of light. Okay. And now you must understand what Bill Gates did. Okay. So you see there's small needles I've showed you there, and you insert pictures in here. And now you must understand like this. Let me put you for you again. So to be clear exactly, I explained to you already from my 50 minutes. Okay, let me tell you like this. You have many strata of pictures. You see, many strata picture. One picture, two pictures, three pictures. Okay, you have many strata of picture. So now it is a coherent picture here. It's so not dissolving. It is you blow on it to mess it up. It is so the paper. I make Hubble pictures and Webb Space Telescope picture. So I printed them. Okay, so you see the wind blows, or even water is remain coherent. The picture remains coherent. Okay, so there are so other materials like this in maintain coherency of the picture, and even small in a small manner like this. I've told you, like in a small needle, a small picture, and now you take it through here. You multiply it with add light to multiply it and to bring it to give it a zoom on a screen. Okay, so now that's why I began with this projector stuff. I showed you in my video, the beginning of the video, they project on buildings even. Okay, so now you know the projector, what Gates did. Okay, if you understand, you project in a frame. many pictures. So you have a frame like this, and I showed you there's many, and you do not understand this is done on a function of time and it's not calculating. Because so you see, it's like it is this logical process. If you want to open a light bulb, you must push this button to open and close it, okay? But it is not, it is a logical function. How Kant says, like a imperative, like to do something you have a imperative that orders you must do this to obtain that, okay? So it is a logical function that the human mind knows it, and some electronic piece, it does this, like opens and closes some channels, okay? This is the operation, like A implies B, logical operation, and it, because you must open and close some picture, you see. So now, if you understand, I have many pictures here. Let's say like they are stored here. I display you only one, and then I with a mechanism, my hands in this case show to you another one, okay, another one, and I have a stack, a pile here. Many. How many can you store here in a pile or in a row? And you see, this is some logical problems between electronics, but it is not calculating. So because in this series I want to tell you where we put the intellect of a machine eventually, or artificial intelligence. So I display with make a mechanism. In this case, my hands are the mechanisms, and my mind is telling like a logical function, display the other one, and have mechanisms that pulls another pictures. So it is a logical processing, but the logic inside the man is not inside here. That he made mechanisms that to display pictures. Now, if you understand the speed of light, you see, you must understand that it flows through all this at once. You make a logical function of time, like sequence 1, 2, but the light is like all over in all the computer at once, okay? And it flows. When you open, it flows through all the circuits at once. So now you have this stack of pictures, what Gates did, if you understand. So the fourth encryption or encryption is exactly like Coca-Cola did not want it to show to you what the recipe of Coca-Cola. So the encryptions were made because there's some connection between the buttons, electricity. I explained you another video of mine. So maybe in that 15 minutes you understood this. So the encryptions that you see from the letters, okay? So now if you understand, you must project this on a wall, all of them, all of these pictures, okay? You read them, you pass light through them, you read them with a diode like this. You read them all at once. It's very easy because light is everywhere, like basically in this mode, okay? You pass light through all of them at once, okay? And you display in a function of time. You send them where you want, okay? And you project them. The wall where you project is, like in the case of the building, is the monitor of your monitor. And now you understand better that 50 minutes from, you see, and you imagine like this is like this on a wall, okay? Or okay, you project them, you copy them, send them, and project them. And now exactly like a label, open and close. You see, it is project them in a main frame, okay? And you put it in a frame. You have a finite numbers of this kind of stuff I've showed to you, okay? So now the mouse gives, or the fingers gives you some energy, goes in the frame, and you see in that part, and brings you what you want. All the programs are made like a piles of pictures, like, and I've told you not 50 minutes, okay? So now beyond my I filmed the monitor, okay? So maybe you heard me, okay? So you see, it goes. You have on this displays, and each is a pile. Let's say a program is a pile of pictures like this, many pictures. So in a coherent logical temporal function, this is everything what you want to understand. So now you know the order of the pictures. This is important. Where how to store them in a pile in some order, temporal order, and you must know the order. Okay. So now you go from one to another picture. All the programs do like this. So why it is a program? It is a program because a program temporal program function. So this time you do this, at this time you do this, at this time you do this, okay? But it's processing basically pictures. So where is the calculation part? This CPU is calculating. It is not. It is a logical, it is a song, you understand. So what I've told you, they are searching quantum computing and the intellect. This is I cover many things, you understand, if you understand. Can you do this to proto thing, like artificial intelligence? What you'll do, it will do, it must be like the intelligence is only done with light. It is a pictures and it is a picture like. So now you can inscribe here the thought, let's say the mental thought you copy like with light, you inscribe it here. So another thing, you are believing that this it is the display, it is somehow three-dimensional, believe it or not, it is. You believe it's b-dimensional like this picture is not, it is three-dimensional somehow. So even here somehow it is obtain somehow a three-dimensional stuff. If you know that if you put a glass on your smartphone, you can make like exactly like 3D, because it's quality of three-dimensional picture, because you copy a three-dimensional picture from Australia and you see somehow it is 3D, not b-dimensional. Okay. So it is not a small thing for you to understand the whole computer, to understand that electricity does not exist but is light, and the electron does not exist. So how many Nobel Prizes all this? So in my next section, you see I brought this cable, but so I proved to you, okay? You cannot joke with this, okay? This is a optical fiber, I did not invent it, okay? So let me show to you the fiber optics. I film it, how it looks. They convince you one more time that from through optical fiber comes an optical image. So it is an image, light image. So the electricity is light. So watch. So I'm filming like a piece of optical fiber. You see a cable. Fiber optic fiber. Okay. So watch with a zoom. You see they are small. This is a gel like. It is. You have this white stuff, and maybe I'm like dirtier. You have this white stuff. I work here. I have a garden. Okay, so excuse me. So you see, you have this white stuff. Okay, you have a tube with a gel, and inside the tube, I did not make a fiber optic. Inside the you have this colored pieces. Let's say if we focus. Okay, let's see how can we focus. This is very important, you see, because this is a cable, you send light through it. It is a name like a fiber optic fiber, you see, and has different types of colors. You see blue, you see red, you see yellow, violet. It is from some reason white and green. Like for black is color, it's a frequency. So you transmit here pictures of light. So where is the electron, my friends? Nowhere. Where is the energy? So only for this I will deserve a Nobel Prize. I'm telling you, the electricity is light. So I did not invent this. Fiber optics, you see, you send light through this, not electrons, light. Let's focus again. Let's focus. Okay. You see all the colors in the optical cable. You see, look, I did not make this. Okay, so this is the GPU stuff. You see, you know this. Okay, you inject pictures, you have doors here. So this is the frame, many pictures you can put here. So I filmed 50 minutes my monitor. I will show to you all also that, and I speak for my table, big videos, but I explain to you again all the computer. I will so you see, excuse, I have music, but I didn't want to you see. So this is what I wanted to tell you. So it is a little bit for you to understand that electricity does not exist. It is light. Light is electricity. Okay. Okay. So you see the CPU also. These are like needles. I want to put it many times for you to understand. Maybe I will not take on this again. So small needles, copper needles, and have something in the middle. You inject pictures, you see, and superimpose pictures, like in you project pictures on screen. Okay, I will tell you this few times. You must understand this. It is not calculating anything. This name for bad reasoning. Calculator is not computes anything. It's processing pictures. Okay, light pictures. Okay.